My name is Gilan Labaj. I'm the product owner for the Catalyst Smart Deployment software. We have a small team here based in Cape Town, but we're a global product. We serve a global audience. We deliver enterprise software to manufacturing and supply chain. I care a lot about my product. I like to deliver the best product possible to our clients. We basically deliver a core set of IP content that allows our clients to accelerate their supply chain and manufacturing performance. There is a common cause to deliver Industry 4.0 within the broader scope of the business to all of our clients and within all departments and spheres. And EY Catalyst kind of represents the forefront of that vision. Azure DevOps has kind of freed up the whole chain from our initial ideas to an actual deployment on a production server. Azure DevOps has neatly filled that position of ensuring the adequate security controls, but not adding additional time management around those security controls. That benefit has been immediately felt within our own department, as well as the inter-departments that we work with. Mint was selected as the key provider. We could clearly see that they had the core skills to deliver on our goals of our journey from our transition to a PaaS solution. And naturally, their partnership with Microsoft was a big plus for us as well, as EY has an alliance with Microsoft, using the services of Azure to deliver our product with serverless technology has really been quite an experience, an enjoyable experience actually. Our clients are in the manufacturing space as well as the supply chain. Industry 4.0 is coming to everyone. It's going to impact on everyone's lives. It's not just the Internet of Things, it's not just AI, it's not just cryptocurrency, it's not just the blockchain. But it's small innovations that take advantage of the advancements in those fields. Azure DevOps has really allowed us to bring those benefits sooner.